Two dogs are safe at home on Long Island tonight after a terrifying run on Sunrise Highway in the middle of Monday's blizzard. In near whiteout conditions, a snowplow driver came to their rescue, and John Diaz has that story.
Town of Babylon foreman Kenny McGowan is no stranger to dangerous and snowy conditions while plowing the roads. But what he saw during Monday's blizzard stopped him cold.
At this turn, I looked over and I seen something in the corner of my eye right there. And then I looked in my mirror and I saw a dog. I'm like, that's a dog running.
But it wasn't only one dog, it was two, running side by side in the middle of Sunrise Highway.
Being an animal lover, being a father, I went right into protection mode. I was going to do whatever I had to do to stop these dogs from getting hurt.
Kenny says once in a safe position, he boldly parked sideways across the highway near Town Hall, using his truck as a shield.
And they ended up going into the median right in the middle where it was like 3 feet of snow. And they like buried themselves. One dog laid on here and the other dog went on top of him. So it was like I knew right away that they were like, that they were close. They were family members. They were sisters.
With help from other Good Samaritans, Kenny was able to wrangle up the two lab mixes and put them in the back seat of his snowplow to transport them directly to the town's animal shelter. We're told both didn't have collars.
If nobody would have found them, they could have frozen.
The two dogs were at the animal shelter for less than 24 hours. Caretakers realized very early on that they were bonded and tell me at no point were they separated. And that bond may have saved them.
One of them we were able to scan for a microchip, and then we found out that the other one did have a microchip, it just wasn't in the traditional spot.
Two sisters who refused to leave each other's side in a blizzard, now safe with their family, and one plow driver who saw danger in the road and chose to stop.
Everybody should think that way. It's somebody else's pet.
From Babylon, Long Island, John Diaz, CBS News, New York.
Now, the family of the two dogs did not want to be on camera, but they did pick up their dogs this morning and say that they are grateful. Still unclear, though, how those two sisters got out in the first place. Still a big mystery, but they're safe at home.